In this tutorial, I will demonstrate how to set up an output on a 2404 controller. Firstly, press the page key until you can see access. Press the scroll key for code 0 and enter number 1. Observe pass. Press the scroll key for go to and press the down arrow key for conf. Press the scroll key once more for comp 0 and enter number 2. Observe pass. Press the page key and advance to your output. In this case, we'll be setting up 1A. Press the scroll key for ID. In this case, it's relay. Press the scroll key once more for function and use the arrow keys to select the output you wish to use. In this case, we will be selecting heat, the heat in output. Press the scroll key for UIL.L and set to 0. Press the scroll key for UIL.H and set to 100. Press the scroll key once more for out.L and change to 0.0, and press the scroll key once more for out.H and change that to 100, all using the arrow keys. Okay, now press the scroll key once more and that will bring you back to the top of the list for 1A. Press the two buttons of scroll and page together and observe exit. Press the arrow key to select yes. The instrument will now restart and you have now set up for heat and output on slot 1.